here's my Moderna experience with options. So, it was right before, well, it was right like during, it was after market hours when they said Moderna had a vaccine. And, or they were rushing to make a vaccine. It was looking good. And it was after market hours. And I was like, heck, I want an option. And so, because I knew the stock was going to jump back up like way high in the morning, and I was like, well, I'll just do a um, short gains. I'll say it goes up really fast, and then I would sell. Well, here's what happened. I Please stop laughing. I went on Robinhood, and I decided, well, I will buy an option. And so I bid an option, and here's the thing you don't understand, is that it gives you a range of values about like what you should like about what it's trading for. It doesn't mean it'll be fulfilled. So I was like, okay, I'll just go for the lowest. I'll buy for the lowest amount, and you always have to do the times 100 by yourself. And I was like, okay, sweet. In the morning, hopefully I'll have an option. Well, I wake up in the morning, the stock jumped too high, nobody bought my option. So I basically, I knew it was going to go higher. I didn't know I didn't know to what extent it would go higher, and I didn't make it in time. I could have quadrupled or more in my gains. Like, I could have got a lot of money, but instead I was too cautious. I didn't put in enough money in the option. Nobody bought my option. And so it just didn't execute. I didn't lose any money, but I could have gained like a lot, and I just messed up. And so that is my story, Graham Stephan, and what's the other guy? Financial Ed. Financial Ed. That's my story on the only option I tried and it failed. Like and sub.